how to get your videos from this to this. Alright, so here goes some of the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a hammer, super glue. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do with the hammer. Lens, of course, rotary tools, needle nose pliers, and a good air gun. Bam! Woo! Yeah, go ahead and get straight to it. Get some of the doggone glass out of here. Yeah. Bam! But yeah, man. Look, for those who come over here talking about, bruh, I would never hit my camera with a... Bruh, shut the f*** up, bro. It's a whole action camera. I done seen these cameras fall off cars, on the interstate, motorcycles fall off buildings. Bruh, it's an action camera. It's meant to get beat up. Bro, don't come over here. Hey, this is something I'll do. I care about the footage. I don't care nothing about the camera. So, bro, don't come over here talking about, bro, fight me then, bro. Anyway, back to the normal schedule program. Yeah, wipe some of that off. You know, making sure it's good on the phone, on the app. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yeah. Let's go. All right, let's see what we got here. Get it. How to get your videos from this to this.